Hi, Ralph. Yeah, you know what? I think I know what's going on here. There are two types of maps we have going on here. The contact map has its own separate um, thing. I'll tell you why. On the index page, the map is a decorative background which the user usually doesn't interact with, or right? It's just more of like a, we have pictures here, right? We have a picture of a background here, and whatnot. But down below, we wanted this map to be sort of more of a not interactive for the user, more of a background decoration. So we had to use an include page to make it a little bit easier to update. So for that one, it would be the components, and it's going to be your map component, right? Your contact map component right here. All right, and you would update your JavaScript, your location right in here. Now the contact page itself is a little bit different, and I know we have two different tutorials, and I'm sorry on any confusion there, but this one here actually uses or pulls in the directly from Google Maps. The reason being is, I'm just going to pull up a page here. If you go to Google Maps, like so, you may want to put some pins or something in your map, but anyways, you can, I don't have any tutorials on working with Google Maps because there's a lot of different things you can do, so you may want to just do a little bit of reading if you're interested. But you can do drop pins for your location and things like that. Well, you can do that by going to My Maps, and I think you can create a new map. Down here, create a map, and then you can do different things with it. And once you're all said and done, you can go back to your share or embed map once you've created it, and you can just grab the code here. Then you go back to your page, and basically what we do here is, see this div class of row? Basically the iframe and everything in between it you're going to remove. So what I suggest you do is right here at the end of the row and above the iframe, just boom, separate that out. Down here there's this view larger map, small, then there's a div here. Just separate out the small and the div, right? So that's the row. Everything in between, you just paste in the new code and change the height, or sorry, the width to 100%. And that's it. But that's after, that way you can create your own custom map, which is great for the contact page because there's nothing over top of the map. But on the home page you have a form over top of it, so you can't use pins or anything unique like that. So it's more of just a background decoration, but you can change the longitude and latitude to point to your own city.